In Google Sites, we have been built one site, right? Here in Google site it is there. You have been constructed one site, in the sense website you have been constructed. But we haven't given any domain name, in the sense it will be there, it will be online, okay, but what will happen, we doesn't have a customized domain name. It will start with the sites.google.com, but I need a domain, in the sense my uh, domain should be like a betaacademy.com only. Like this I would like to get a domain. For example, if you search for a ITC, you will get a domain. This is nothing but a domain, itcportal.com. If you are searching for any other company like a TCS, okay, you are getting a www.tcs.com. Okay, to these things are called as a domain, www.yourcompany.com or .in or .organization or .co.in. These are called as a domain. These are called as a domain name. How to use that domain name? In settings we have been shown, okay, here custom URL. Here we have to enter our domain name which we have been purchased. You can purchase it from a GoDaddy or Wix or in any of the WP. Many websites are available, online portals are available. From there, you can register your domain name. You can register your domain name. Google itself has a domain name registration there where it is available. Domain, Google domain we are calling it is, where it is there. Here, more apps we have to select, more from Google. Scroll down to the business section. Here in a my business we have a third row, we have a Google domains. Google domains. Select that. Okay. Then you can start searching your domain. Here find your place online. In the sense you can start searching your domain. In the sense you don't have any domains. So that what we can do, we can search for it. Okay, we can search for it here. We can search a domain. For example, is that particular domain address is available or not. So we'll search for the Beta Academy only. Beta Academy. Then get it. It will load all the options available in a related to a Beta Academy. Here Beta Academy, there is a what we have been searched. Okay, is a .com is there? No. Here we can see green mark is not there, .com is not there, .org is not there, .net also not available, but .in, Beta Academy .in is available. Okay, we can select that one, and many other also it is there. Okay, many others are there. We can see beta.academy is not available. Okay, some of the betaacademy.school is available, but at the price of 2870 rupees per year. Okay, if you like this particular domain name, you can say buy. Here add to cart, add to cart you can do, or betaschool.org. Okay, which one it is suitable for you, which one is suitable for you, you can select that one. You can select that one. For example, here you can select beta academy.in. In is nothing but India. Okay, beta academy.in. If you are selecting this one, okay, once you have been selected, you can say add to cart. Add to cart. Here one cart symbol is there. Okay, you can say that add to cart. Okay, whichever the domain you like, you can add it to cart. In the sense for payment purpose. 860 rupees per year you need to pay to get that domain. Once you have been get that domain, we can update that one here. Once you have been purchased, we can go to a custom URL and we can say our domain is a www.betaacademy.in. Like this you can assign. Now it will be not available because we haven't purchased. Once you have been purchased, it will say yes, you have a ownership, continue. Okay, you can later your website will be redirected to that particular domain name. Okay, once you have been added to cart, here whichever the domain you require, you can add it to a cart. You can add it to a cart. Like this you can add. So one has been added. Like this, whichever the domain you think, okay, you can add it to cart. While selecting a domain, make sure that your domain should not be too lengthy. Okay, domain name should not be too lengthy. It should be easy to memorize by the person. Okay, and make sure that it is relevant to your business, in the sense your business name itself. My business name is Beta Academy, so I have been selected Beta Academy only, because many of them will search like a based on their business name only, not with anything else. If you have been given, they will not be able to understand it is belongs to you. Okay, for that reason, select that particular thing only, and you can check here. Yes, this is a popular only, and pronunciation also, easy pronunciation is there, and heard also, and it is the spelled correctly also. The word in the name are spelled correctly also. So it is very easy to check. For example, if you are changing any domain, like this, if you are searching for a domain, okay, it will be very, you can see here, name is in too long. Okay, and name has a popular ending, it is there. But one thing we have to, then it contains a many common words and might not be remember and type, in the sense it will difficult to type and remember such names. So the name selection will be very important when you are doing any business, or when you are selecting any domain name. This is about how to select the domain name. And one more thing, setting a domain name will be learned in a next video.